what purpose does the gentleman from Tennessee rise?
Address the House and try to read this in 1 minute.
Without objection.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Tonight, millions of Americans will tune into the NBA Finals and watch a great battle between Kobe Bryant and Dwight Howard. Besides immense talent, these gentlemen share another characteristic. They went straight to the NBA from high school. Unfortunately, today's players won't have that same opportunity because the NBA prevents 18-year-olds from choosing their profession and going straight into the NBA simply because of their age. It's something that you don't see in any other sport: baseball, golf, tennis, hockey, any other sport. You don't see it in entertainment, and you don't see it when young men and women choose to join the military and fight for their country. This is a part of a hypocritical system that we have, which doesn't allow these people to choose their profession when they come out of high school, and it makes the term student athlete an oxymoron. The system does more to serve the needs of the universities and the NBA as a farm system than it does the students as if they were at their colleges. Kobe Bryant and Dwight Howard have achieved outstanding success, and I look forward to watching them tonight. But there's no reason to think that today's 18-year-olds can't do the same. Age restrictions should be abolished. The NBA should repeal this unfair rule. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.